today I'm going to show you how to do a long tail cast on. So to start, you're going to need a long tail, but you need to have enough yarn to cast on the amount of stitches that you need. To do that, I like to take a little chunk and say we need 15 stitches. So then I wrap the yarn around my needle 15 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so you unwrap it, and that's the amount of yarn you're going to need for your tail. And I take a little extra just in case. Okay, so this is the ball end, which I'm going to have over here, and this is the tail end to the front. So you have your ball end to the back and your tail end to the front. Tie a slip knot. So I just go around and then put this through like that. There's your slip knot. So you put your index finger and your thumb through, and I hold the ends. So this is your tail end, so go under your thumb string, back around behind your index finger, and then down through your thumb, and pull it off of your thumb, and then pull it tight. Not too tight, but snug. Okay, so you go under your thumb, around and down through your index finger, and then down through your thumb, and pull it off of your thumb. So under your thumb, down through your index finger, and then down through there and off of your thumb. Pull it tight. Okay, so under your thumb, down around your index finger, and then down through the thumb. Pull it tight off of your thumb. Okay, so now I'll do it a little faster. We'll just do that for the amount of stitches you need to cast on. Alright, and there you have it. A long tail cast on. Remember, this is your tail, your ball end to the back. This is my favorite way to cast on. There you go. Thank you for watching.